Welcome to the bi-monthly reset. Welcome back, because we've done this before. Sorry for the bone-chilling lighting. I am moving house in 2 days, so everything's packed up. I'm using a lamp for lighting right now. My braids, which I kind of got anyway because I do get them every 2 months. But I'm getting them in time for my holiday, also in time for my house move. So as usual, I thought I'd bring you along with me. And that starts with, I've had straight hair for I think about a month now, just a bit easy. So I've just been doing that since I went to see Doja Cat, which you can watch. I've made a video on that, but I kept my hair straight for a little bit. I thought, why not? So I need to wash this. I've had it slicked back, so there's less hairspray in it. My dog's barking, sorry about him. He does that. I've had hairspray in it, so I need to definitely get that off of my scalp, because sometimes you gotta slick it back. When it gets a bit dirty, you gotta slick it back. Anyway, wash that out, blow my hair out, and then tomorrow we go and get my braids done. So I just wanted to say hey, and I'll see you when my hair's all blown out. Bye. So my hair's blown out now. I think I made a mistake though. I was getting really lazy with it, and I could feel that my hair was getting really dry because I was being so lazy. So I put some oil in, and I just think I put way too much in. And now I'm getting braids. I'm kind of worried about what that's gonna be like long term, having all this oil in my hair. I think it'll be okay, to be honest. I think it'll be all right. I'm just worried about, obviously, that's then gonna be in my hair now for a long time. But anyway, I took my lashes off. I'm gonna redo them, and I figured we can do it together. So that's my lashes done, my hair ready for tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow when we'll do a little bit of makeup just to be presentable, I guess, and then go get my braids done. See you then.
The next day.
Good morning. I'm gonna do my makeup. Only doing a little bit. I did my lashes yesterday. I don't really like them. I don't know why. I don't know what the problem is, but it doesn't really matter. I like the bits I put on. I think it's like because it's not blended into the rest of my lashes. I don't know, but I might put some more on. I did more lashes. Just thought that they needed a little bit more, so I'm gonna just do my makeup now. I'm gonna just keep it simple. Again, I'm sorry for the light, it's so bad, but it is what it is. Bronzer by NYX. This is a MAC Color Excess Brown Eyeliner, which I actually use for my eyebrows. MAC Royal Flush Blush, it's kind of highlight as well, so. I'm just using a liquid eyeliner to do little fake dots on my face. I always use this Burt's Bees. It's like an overnight treatment, but it's so good. I use it all the time. This is a Peaches and Cream. I think it's by Pretty Little Thing, but I swear by this. This is in the shade Hotline. I swear by this. And then Fenty Glow. And that's it. That's all I'm doing. I just need to get dressed. I was debating wearing what I've got on, which is just like it's this Gap hoodie and then matching shorts. Because as I mentioned before, I'm moving house and everything I have is in boxes, including like my clothes. But I think, I don't know, I'm gonna see what I have that's kind of an open box that maybe I can be a bit more presentable. Because it's like, for right now I don't really care, but it's when you get your braids done and then you're feeling good. Like, I want to not have a little sweatsuit on, probably, because I want to feel really cute. But if I have to go in this, I have to go in this. I'm so comfortable, so. But my hair's not feeling oily anymore, so that's good. Let's pick an outfit. So I didn't find a new top, but I did find some leggings. You'll just have to imagine, because I can't really show you, but I'm just wearing leggings and this hoodie, but at least it's a bit more. So the shorts I had on before are like this. So I couldn't want to wear these with this because it just felt a bit too casual. So at least hoodie and leggings, like, not so bad. And I'm going to the cinema afterwards as well, so I didn't want to be completely just like, I don't know, like, it's a bit too casual for me to step out in. So anyway, so I've got just a hoodie and a leggings, cash, and then I'm just gonna wear, I've got white Fila trainers. I'm just gonna wear some white trainers with it. So at least I'll be comfy. I don't know if it's even warm enough to just wear this, but I haven't got much else to wear. I still got about, it's 11:23 right now. I need to leave at 12, so I still have quite a long time. So I think I'm gonna just chill, make a cup of green tea and honey to start my day off nicely, and then I will see you when we're on our way, because this is like a little vlog, so I'll bring you with me. The only thing is, I wish I could film whilst I'm in there, but if you've had braids done before, you know that a lot of places you have your hands full. You have to give them hair to add in if you're adding hair in, which I am this time. But we need to go shopping first to get the hair. So I'll bring you along with me, and then I'll get my braids done, and then I'll see you after that. See you soon. I didn't film in the hair store because I was running late because the train was late, but got hair. I just got like all plain black. So yeah, I'm gonna go in now. So I'll see you when it's done. I guess it'll be like 2 hours from now, but it'll be a second for you. This is before. It's so nice in here. I'm just gonna go downstairs to the cafe. Snack. Don't come with no remedy. I am so much fun without Hennessy. They just want my love and my energy. You can't talk no shit without penalties. Bitch, I'm your shit if you suffer me. I'm going to glow up one more time, trust me. I have magical foresight. You gon' see me sleeping in courtside. You gon' see me eating 10 more times. Ugh, you can't take that bitch nowhere. Ugh, I look better with no hair. Ugh, ain't no sign I can't. We're back home. This is it. I get this. It's been getting the style almost every single time. It gets stuck to my necklace though, which is annoying. Off to the side. This is the back. So what I get is obviously this at the top, but then the back is boxed. The back is box braids, so I can move it however. It's kind of tight right now because it just is the first day you get them. When they grow out a bit, I can have any hairstyle I want because it's box braided up to about here. So you can put my hair on top of my head or anything, but that's my hair. This is how long it is. That's my hair. Hope you like it. I love this style. I'm probably gonna always get this style because I like it being out of my face. And the face card never declines, my God. But yeah, so I have my hair out of my face. I get annoyed when I used to get box braids. I used to get really annoyed at the front pieces and they used to rub my eyebrows off. So no more to that. But yeah, this is my bi-weekly reset that I do. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. And I will see you next Saturday. Bye. Take a whole life from the settle.